Welcome back to Beautiful Mind today. If you're new here, I'm Roland Attenborough. I'm the leading GANN scientific and analytical researcher, and I just want to say how grateful I am for being your guest today. Thank you for all the people reaching out to me. I'm sending you boatloads of peace and love. I also wanted to make this announcement. I have a lot to share with you. My recent absence has not been because I'm shying away from my channel. In no way is that the case. However, I've been very busy with many projects. As you know, I'm a self-taught coder and programmer, and I just recently have been accepted by FinTech regulatory body to get a crypto license for our Bullseye coin and bullpen exchange, which is also has its own coded predictive technology that I coded. It's all GAN stuff. It's all private to us. So I have 3 different projects that are inside of that. So we've been accepted initially by FinTech for a crypto license. So I've been really busy with meetings and back and forth. So secondly, I'm busy with branding our natural square scientific forecasting instrument, and of course all the services and consulting that I do and the work that I do. So I'm going to be busy doing that as well. I've been looking at attending some expos here in Las Vegas over the coming months. Next, I've also released my in-person workshop, which will be in Mexico, and that's a very advanced course. The material there is never taught anywhere else on earth, and anyone of any level is welcome to join, and you can just go to the description and have a look at that workshop. That's actually where I taught Cody Jones of WD-GAN how to find the longitude of prices, and I show you how to do the same thing. That's of course where I bought all my forecasting and GAN documents. Well, most of them anyways. I own every single book and course anyways. Next, I also wanted to update you. I've been changing up my wallets and stuff because I've recently lost over the last year, I've lost investments in Binance, StormGain, and NiceHash. So I've started a new wallet, and I've been getting asked quite a bit actually on what best wallet to get. Well, I have a BTCC FinTech wallet. It's a Gemini. It's for Canadians, but I'm not sure if it's good worldwide. I don't see why not, but you would have to have a look for yourself. I got fed up with all the other platforms stealing my Bitcoin. Thank God I built my own Bitcoin mines and mined Bitcoin, so I was able to harvest some losses from the exchanges that took my Bitcoin. Anyway, rant over on that one. Also, I'm the same guy that predicted XRP would hit $1.80 in November, and of course it did that the last day on the 30th. Also, I'm also the same guy that told you that in January 7th, XRP would hit 319, and of course we did hit 319, guys, but it was 8 days later. It was on the 15th, so is that a direct hit? Absolutely. So let's just carry on. I'm going to be releasing some more stuff on Doji and Bitcoin, XRP, and I have my most recent development is I'm looking to purchase the Trump coin, which has been just recently released here in the last 2 days, and I've been monitoring it, and I'm just going to watch it for the next 30 days. I'm not sure it's done really right now. I shouldn't say I'm not sure. I feel that the price hasn't bottomed yet, and I have many reasons for that, and we'll be talking about that later on in some videos where I'll be discussing that in the charts. So I just wanted to discuss this with you as to an update as to why I've been a little bit absent, but I can assure you I'm back, and I have a whole bunch of stuff to share with you. So thank you for joining us today, and peace and love to you.